You will be amazed by this 2018 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.